Thailand, a land full of mysticism. The capital, Bangkok, Asian metropolis with hellish traffic. Countless scooters, taxis and pickups concentrated on mostly multi-lane roads. Take a well-kept vintage car out here, pure horror. But they do exist, an intrepid group of Thais dedicated since a few years to the care and preservation of older vehicles. The community is still small, but it's growing. Bun Chasm Sup from the Bangkok Classic Car Club regularly organizes trips for club members.
We try to find some nice breeze time, especially like Sunday morning drive. Every month we organize together, both Bangkok Classic Car and Classic Car Association Thailand, we organize what we call Sunday morning drive event. It's a monthly event.
In the club since the beginning, Bunyarit Chulasapya and his Mercedes 190 SL.
Well, it belongs to my father, and he bought it in 1955. I was born on the same year, and I had a lot of fun with this car. It's my feeding ground on the back. Sometimes we progress too fast, and sometimes we have to look back in our rear mirror, and people are enjoying the retro scene, like cars, like the way of they use their furniture.
The vehicles of the Bangkok Classic Car Club, a colorful mix of muscle cars, classic cars, Japanese young-timers, and European classics. Before the drive begins, a group photo. The starting point is strategically selected, no risk of traffic jams. Today, the drive goes to the tourist resort of Pattaya, 130 kilometers away. They let their treasures run on the highway. The vintage cars make for happy faces everywhere, and rarely are so many classics seen at the same time, because the market is limited.
Classic car in Thailand, because of the regulation and law, is almost impossible to import new cars. So then we have to find pretty much the car that used to be in Thailand since the beginning. You know, so this just like the car that I bring today is 1957 MGAs. It was in Thailand since 1957.
The first stop is at Thailand's oldest racetrack, the Bira Circuit, named after a Thai prince who recorded international success as a racer there in the 50s. The veteran car drivers complete a few laps in his honor. Somvria Vaida has a lot of fun on the track in his 1972 tuned-up Datsun 240Z.
Okay, my car I inspired by Japanese comic called manga. Anything they can imagine. Okay, normally they put very wide and small rims. Okay, and sometimes they put so many color on it, with so many extra like musical horn or the oil cooler on the front. Make anything that to make them look outstanding. Okay, to make it fun, not really for a racetrack, but to have fun.
Also, German classics are very popular with Thai car fans. In these vehicles, the originality is paramount. The owners order Porsche or Mercedes spare parts from Germany online. The drivers treat themselves to a small break at the Pattaya Marina Club. The vintage cars attract the attention of the tourists, and especially the silver-colored Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing. Pote Vichitrananda, an IT specialist from Bangkok, is the proud owner.
This particular car came into the country in 1956. It's actually produced in late 1955, but arrives here by boat in 56, and it's been here since. I'm the third owner. There was two previous owners before me.
The condition of his dream classic? Perfect. Top marks according to German assessment.
It was in a different condition. We had, with the help of HK Engineering in Germany, we have with their experts here in Thailand, in Bangkok, actually we did restore it. Took about 2.5 years for the restoration period.
End of the Sunday morning drive from Bangkok to Pattaya. The proud owners place their cars in front of a vineyard. Cars and drivers survive the 130-kilometer route without any problems, despite an average temperature of 30 degrees.
My personal motto: if you love classic car, you're my friend. So, and I think I got a lot of friends throughout classic car community, and they are good friends. And I think it made my life, it has perfect my life.
There is again the obligatory group photo at the finish of the Sunday morning drive, under the Thai evening sun, as it is amongst friends.